Hope that bucket's not full. It will be when it's done pouring all the water out.
Wow.
So far I'm at 28 seconds and I started 15 seconds late.
I would drink at least 2 gallons out on the ground.
She had to have completely filled it.
Put it in the top?
Yeah.
Is that bucket empty, kinda?
Yeah, it was. There, we're starting to get
He's
oil.
so cool.
Here comes the oil.
Here comes the
He's
oil.
so cool. Pat, let's bump bellies one.
Oh, look at that oil.
Who put chocolate milk in their car?
Chocolate
Milk
milk.
flowing.
I don't even know what to do. Those actuators are just as bad. You see them? They came out looking like that.
I don't know what to do, bud.
This is why old people shouldn't be allowed to do anything. Sit there and watch Matlock. That's it.
Hey, Steve.
It's like fucking.
See what he thinks we should do. I don't know. Johnny tried to do that. I don't know.
You gotta at least even get it running again like that one. Be a total badass.
I have no
It's
problem
worth a
putting
shot.
oil in it.
Put oil in it, blow them out, and put the new actuators in it and try it. What's the worst gonna happen? It's already fucked.
Just run it and rechange the oil again.
Yeah, have them come back in like 500 miles or 100 miles even, and just keep it. Ugh. We don't have any kind of oil flush.
Hey, you're still filming it?
Yeah.
Wow.
2 minutes and 20 seconds. Not including the first 15 or so.
I gave up. I lost interest.
Oh, I want to see this all the way through to the end.
You're a badass.
I know.
What's it like being a total badass?
It's pretty sweet, I guess.
So
17 quarts overfilled. 15 of those were water.
this is all from the car.
I drink 2 gallons out on the ground.